Let's review how to use the Automotive Budgeter accordion on the Tools page of Toolkit.law. From Toolkit.law, go to the Tools section, select the Budgeter page, then open the Automotive accordion. Here, you'll see dedicated fields to record your car-related expenses, such as car wash, fuel, inspection, insurance, loan payments, maintenance, registration, and any other custom entries you want to track. Once you input your values, the tool automatically calculates the total, giving you a clear overview of your vehicle costs. You can use the recycle icon to clear and start again. The redo option lets you make quick adjustments, while the download and share buttons help you save or send your expense summary instantly. You can also connect your data directly with Toolkit.law's productivity suites for seamless record-keeping and financial management. Whether you're managing firm vehicles, travel reimbursements, or personal commuting costs, the Automotive Budgeter accordion keeps your finances transparent and organized, right from your browser. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's Automotive Budgeter accordion.